Safe Travels. Together, we'll be exploring the tools and techniques to keep you safe and secure while on the go.
Columbia College wants you to have a full campus experience that will likely include using public transportation.
Whether walking to or from or hopping from bus to train, you'll be interacting with new people and situations every day. Here are a few travel tips to help you navigate the city with confidence.
Personal security starts with being aware of your surroundings. Sometimes that may mean putting your phone down or taking your headphones out. By doing so, you allow yourself to pay more attention to what's happening around you. This may also mean securing your valuables such as your wallet, computer, or phone in secure bag pockets or deep pockets on yourself.
Until you become familiar with public transportation, consider using transportation apps for schedules and times. Plan in advance so that you know your commuting schedule ahead of time.
Be familiar with your trip schedule so you aren't forced to wait longer than necessary. Know where your stop is and when you need to get off public transportation.
When walking to the train or bus, choose a well-lit and well-populated route. Sit close to the driver, conductor, or emergency alarm buttons to easily communicate to officials if you're in need of assistance.
When commuting, make sure not to engage in any financial transactions with a stranger. This includes cashing a check for someone or giving out cash.
When traveling during late night or early morning hours or for longer trips, see if you can buddy up with someone to avoid traveling alone.
Whether it be a long day of classes or a night out on the town, be sure to avoid falling asleep on public transportation.
It's important that you're prepared with a few easy tools to get help should you need it. Most smartphones have an SOS feature that connects with emergency services or your personal support network. Learn how to use these things on your phone. You can also use location sharing apps for your roommates, family, and friends to track you if needed. Our campus has blue light talkophones, and CTA trains have emergency response alarms that are easily located to alert authorities when help is needed.
Utilize the Columbia College Safe Ride program. It operates daily between campus buildings and select CTA locations.
Now that you learned some quick travel tips, you're ready to explore the city with confidence. Have fun and safe travels.